Okay, so this is the Ignite for today. Let me explain it. So how do you see the pattern growing? What would the 10th case look like? How many circles would be in case 0? And how many circles would be in case -1? So if this is case 1, case 2, and case 3, we want to know 0 and -1. And then we also want to know 4, 5, 6. We don't want to know these, right? But we do want to know 10. So, and we want to know how many circles there are. So let's count how many circles are in case 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are in case 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And how many are in case 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. All right. So this one's a little bit tricky, right? So what is the so 7 plus 7 plus 8 is 15, right? So this one up by 8. 15 to 27, as long as I counted that, right? Which, who knows? Okay, I'm going to recount this one. So I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 14. And I've got 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It is 27. So then how did I do that? 15 plus 10, 11, 12, right? So looks like it's going up by, so if I take 7 and I add 8, I get 15. If I take 15 and I add 12, I get 27. So let me erase this because it is now officially in my way. So it looks like we're adding, the adding is going up by 4, right? So we did 8 and then we did 12. So we're going to add, for case 4, we're going to add what? 16. So that would be case 4. And then case 5, I'm going to do this. The cases are in squares, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this one is tricky. So 16, and then for case 5, I would have to add 20 to whatever's in case 4, right? And then I would have to add 24, and then I'd have to add 28, and then I would have to add 32 plus 36, and then plus 40. So if we do this, right, so we're going to take 16 and we're going to add it to 27, which is, I'm wanting to erase this. What is 16 plus 27? It's 43. I'm actually going to use a different color. It's 43. Okay, so now I'm going to take 20 and I'm going to add it to 43. That's one's simpler. It's 63. Then I'm going to take 24 and I'm going to add it to 63. So now I've got 87. And I'm going to add 28 to 87. 87 plus 28 is 115. I'm doing this in my head, so if I get something wrong, don't be too mad at me. So now I'm going to add 32 to 115. So what do I get? I get 5, 4, and 1. I'm going to add 36 to 145. So I get, I think it's 181. You guys can use a calculator. I don't feel like it. Then I'm going to add 40 to 181, and that is going to be 221. So that is my case 10. So that would actually be the answer to number 2, right? So if I added 4 going up, so I'm going to say, so now I'm going to take 4 away, right? So what is 7 minus 4? Case 0 is going to be 3, right? And then 3 minus 0. I'm going to do this. I'm going to say that case 0 and case 1 are the same, and they both have 3. Because if it goes down, then that has to be 4, that has to be 0, right? So they're both the same. That's weird. And then I see the pattern growing. This one's a little difficult. I would say I see the pattern growing. All right, so I would say I see the pattern growing by, I'm going to see if I can make that bigger. So as you can maybe see, what they did was they took this 3 and this 3, right, and they rotated it. And then they added a whole another layer, right? And then they rotated it. So if I added a whole nother layer, okay, so I keep going. So I have 5, right? Because they had 4 across, now I have 5 across. So I do that. But then they also added this extra layer down here, so I have to add 5 down here as well, right? So 5 times 4, that's a 20 box there, and that's a 20 box there, right? Let me make that. So there's 20 in this box, there's 20 in this box, and then they have an extra one here, an extra one here, and an extra one here. I have an extra one here, an extra one here, an extra one up here. So 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 3 is 43. So they're adding an extra row to the right and adding an extra row to the bottom, rotating it and then adding 3, or doubling it and adding 3. So this one is kind of complicated. If you made an attempt, I'm going to give you all 5 of your points just for trying, because these pattern things, they're complicated, and we're going to probably be stuck with doing them for a little while because I don't have anything to give you guys to actually touch and feel and manipulate.